Let's get started. Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is September 20th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'll be giving you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels she's got, and then I'll go over gold and oil for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Pulling up S&P 500. We got support, nice double bottom here at 43.44. If you're looking for the long up, you are counter trend fading. My next area of resistance that I'm looking for, 43.65.50. Above that, 43.80.25 and 44.06.25 if we do get back up there. But pretty bearish as of right now. So I think the trend trading would probably be the best idea, but we'll see what happens when we get into the open. I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you guys some of the minor levels here.
Okay, sweetie pie. Do you want me to share my screen now, or do you want to wait?
Oh, no, you can share it. You can share it.
Okay.
Let me go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Coolio. Okay. You can see on this bad boy here, we have resistance right here at 4482 area. Why? Well, look, support, right? It's going to retest support always in a bearish trend. And you can see that there was a little bit of there was a lot of battle here because the bulls did not want this to go down any lower, but it's so bearish. Obviously, the bears won out. Passed up this level of support here, 44.72, and is continuing down to our major support here at 4439. Here's peak one, right? I took a little bit of a short here at the, where did I go? Yeah, right here. But very mindful of this peak is where I took profit. You see that, 4344, and then hit the long. And now it's passing peak two, used it as a little bit of support. Here's peak three, used it as a little bit of support. Maybe it's going to travel up to our next peak. We'll have to see how it plays in this range, but it is struggling. Why? Because of this right here, this little micro support right here. That's why it's having a little bit of a hard time pushing on up to the next level. But if it stays above this peak here, peak number three, then it's going up to 64. Trend traders, you might want to wait for this area to do its dance to see, but this area here, 72, would be a monster possible move down because it's a broken support area. So if you want to sit on your hands and be patient to see what the market does here, you can. I have it locked and loaded, ready to go, but I'm in this long. I took it here. So we'll see if the market can stay above 54 to push it on up. Use this area, push it on up, get up to here, and then splatter down. But we'll see. This is a double bottom area here, 44.39 on a larger scale because it hit this area in the past. And then now it's using micro peaks for the move up. So good plays, good market, juicy. We're all going to make a lot of money today. So back to you, Dave, for oil and gold.
All right, let's go ahead and pop it up here. Okie dokie. So going over gold for you guys, we got resistance sitting at 1761.1. That's where we kind of double topped and pushed right back down. So I'm anticipating the market to come down somewhere around 1751. It may end up stalling somewhere right around here. I'd say 1755.5 first. So we'll see what happens. Next support underneath 1746.8. And then below that 1737.8. Again, we are bearish on gold as well. We did get a nice pullback. If we do continue up, our level of resistance above 61 is going to be 66.8. Moving over into crude oil for you guys. Crude oil resistance at 71.12. We'll see if we do get back up there and fail to get through. If we do fail, we're going to look for the market to try to gradually pull down to 69.63. as the next level of support. Right now, it is moving bearish, so we want to see if we come down to the areas of support. We did bounce off of one clean area. There is a 69.97 as a closer area of support. So if we get back up to these 71.12s and it fails to go through, that could be a short opportunity. If we go on top, 71.12, next level up, 72.28 and 73.01. So we'll look out for those areas as we get into the open. But let's go ahead and prepare.